everyone. We are Melissa and Michael Elliott with Elliott Real Estate Pros, and we are so excited to invite you to our 4th annual chili cook-off at the Bearded Bee Brewery in Wendell.
That's right. It's happening on Saturday, November 2nd from 12 to 3 p.m. Whether you're a chili master or just love to eat chili, this event is going to be a blast.
Here's the fun part. You can bring your very own chili to compete. Show off your best recipe and see how it stacks up against some of the finest chili around.
And the best part, everyone who attends will be the judge. Taste as many entries as you want and vote for your favorites. We'll be awarding prizes to the top 3 chili chefs, so bring your A game.
It's always such a fun, friendly competition, and we love seeing everyone come together for some amazing food, good drinks, and great company.
And while you're enjoying all that chili, you can sip on some of the best craft beers from the Bearded Bee Brewery. It's the perfect way to spend a Saturday afternoon.
We've been doing this for 4 years now, and it's always one of the highlights of the season. So whether you're cooking or just tasting, come join us for a fun-filled afternoon.
Mark your calendars for November 2nd from 12 to 3 p.m. at the Bearded Bee Brewery in Wendell. We can't wait to see whose chili will take home the prize this year.
See you there.